devices, then switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. As this aircraft may be refueled upon arrival, smoking, vaping and the use of e-cigarettes is strictly prohibited. As personal electronic devices, as this aircraft may be refueled upon arrival, please ensure that all personal electronic devices, including mobile phones, remain in flight mode until you are inside the terminal and are not used at any time whilst you are disembarking the aircraft or crossing the tarmac area. Please take care as you're opening the overhead lockers, as heavier items may have moved during the flight. Any second-hand baggage or orange tag baggage will be available for collection at the foot of the stairs. Checked-in luggage will be available for collection from the terminal